Hi guys, so do you buy any of these brand coffee, Starbucks, of any of these at your supermarket and pay $5 each time? Well, I'm gonna show you a hack that they do and you can do it too, cheaper. Okay, you see this box. You know they run like a dollar at Dollar Tree. So let me show you what you're getting ready to do. Okay, so what you want to do is get you any of these decaf, regular, it doesn't matter. Open them up. This one has 7 in it. Open up your container. I'm using my scissors because it's easy. Here, I'm going to add all 4 in. Add water. Add the lid and shake. Stay tuned for part 2. Okay guys, it's time for part 2. So after you have shaken it, watch the color guys. Same exact thing. Don't let them fool you. Because I'm using this and it's good. Add whipped cream if you're nasty. Stir and sip.